the online payment market was only big enough for one player, and so he felt that two companies would be much better off by merging together. And thus, a meeting was arranged with the two most influential people from both companies, Max Levchin and Peter Thiel from the Confinity team, who were building PayPal, and Elon Musk and Bill Harris from X.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will teach you how you can make this effect in CapCut. So let's begin. First, open CapCut and import the background clip to the timeline. Now rotate it and increase its size so it can fit to the screen. Now go to blend mode and decrease its opacity. Copy the clip and paste it like this so it will cover the entire audio length. Trim off the extra part. Now select all clips and create a compound clip. Now import this clip to the timeline and remove the background using chroma key. Go to Effects panel and search for glow and choose the luminance effect. Make the adjustments as per your convenience. Now extend the clip length to the audio length. Now import the logos one after the other. Here I didn't find the X.com logo, but I found this one, so we're gonna crop it like this and use. Now listen to the audio and see when the logos will disappear. Extend the logos till that point. Next, import the arrow clip to the timeline and remove the background using chroma key. Make it smaller and place it over here. Now go to Mask Effect and select Horizontal Mask, rotate it to 180 degree. Bring this down and increase the feather. Let's see how it looks. Let's bring this little bit down. Yeah, this looks perfect. Now we have to animate the arrow. So we're going to come to this position and add a keyframe here and move few frames forward and change its position to here. Smoothen the animation using keyframe animation. Let's see how it looks. It looks a bit slow, so let's move the keyframe closer. Yeah, now it looks good. Now let's import the dotted lines to the timeline and remove the background. Make it smaller and rotate it to 90 degrees. It's too long, so let's crop it out. Now let's place it over here and extend its length so it can match the length of the logos. Do the same with the arrow, but it's a video so it can't be extended, so we shall copy and paste it and delete the keyframes. Now select the dotted line clip and go to Mask option and select Horizontal Mask. Animate it using keyframes so it should look like this. Now bring another dotted line and do the same animation. Place this clip at the second keyframe of the another dotted line clip and remove the background. Decrease its size to 65 and place it like this. Animate it using keyframes, using horizontal masking. Increase its feather and smoothen the animation using keyframe animation. Let me do this quickly. Now copy the first dotted line clip and paste it over the second keyframe of the second dotted line clip. By doing this, you don't have to make the dotted line animation again from the beginning. Bring it here and rotate it and place it like this. Again, copy the arrow clip and paste it over here and then move it here. Now let's bring all the clips to the logo's length. Let me do it very quickly. Let's see how it looks. Before that, place this effect at the top of all clips. Select all the clips and create a compound clip, but don't select the square clip. Then go to Animation and select Zoom 1 animation for both the clips and increase its duration between 0.7 to 1 second. Let's see how it looks now. This looks perfect. Now let's begin with the second part. Import this blue grid background to the timeline. Reduce its size and place it over here like this. Increase its size till it covers the square. Go to Mask and select Horizontal Mask and cover it over the square and drag this icon to make the edges rounded. Let's see how it looks now. But make sure it covers exactly to the square size. Now make that clip to compound clip. Again, go to Mask and select Horizontal Mask and animate it like this. This is how it looks. Now copy that clip and paste it over above, few frames forward than the other clip because we want the red grid to appear after the blue one appears. Now click on the compound clip and replace the blue grid with the red grid. This way you can save a ton of time and speed up your editing. Now bring this clip to the timeline and place him over here. Go to mask and select horizontal mask and bring the line to the bottom and increase its feather. Now go to the adjustments and decrease its saturation completely and apply the slide up animation. But the problem is, the character appears from the bottom of the screen, but we want him to appear from the bottom of the square. Don't worry, I will teach you how you can do that. But for now, do the same with this other guy. Let me do this quickly. Now go to the bottom and copy the blue background clip and paste it here. Go to mask and select horizontal mask and bring the line at the bottom of the square. Increase the feather a bit, around 10. Let's see how it looks. Now I did this because we want the character to appear from the bottom of the square. By placing the duplicated background clip like this, it looks like the character is appearing from the bottom of the square. This is how it looks without that clip, and this is how it looks with that clip. Animate the other guy with the same slide up animation. Now let's see how it looks so far. This looks great. Now go to adjustments and set the exposure to -50 and blacks to -50. This will turn the image to black. Do the same for the other clip. Extend the clips to the full length. Place the playhead at this point and add the keyframes for exposure and blacks. Move few frames forward and set both to 0 and smoothen the animation. This is how it should look. Now copy the keyframes and paste it to the other clip. Let's see how it looks. Add a text layer and write his name and select the font which you like. And also apply the shadow effect and make the adjustments as per your convenience. Let's see how it looks. Now click on the text layer and go to animation and select type 2, or you can go with anything you like and also do the same for the other guy. Let me do this quickly. Extend the text layer to full length and select these clips and create a compound clip. Now go to mask and select rectangle mask and place it like this, so no extra part will be outside of the square and gives a clean look. Now perform these same operations on the other square. After you are done with the other square, select all the clips and create a compound clip. Now come to this position and add a keyframe, move few frames forward and zoom to the blue grid square like this. Smoothen the animation using keyframe animation. Now copy the second keyframe and move few frames forward and then paste it. Again move few frames forward and move the frame right side like this, and again smoothen the animation. Now let's see the final output.
The online payment market was only big enough for one player, and so he felt that two companies would be much better off by merging together. And thus, a meeting was arranged with the two most influential people from both companies, Max Levchin and Peter Thiel from the Confinity team, who were building PayPal, and Elon Musk and Bill Harris from X.com.
This is the complete tutorial. Hope you guys like it and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. If you are interested in video editing but are confused about how to get started, then click on the video appearing on the screen. Thank you for watching.